Good evening, everyone. On the behalf of organizers of the fourth International Precision Oncology and IBC conference, it's a great honor for me to welcome you all, and who, in spite of your busy schedule, heavy duties, and responsibilities, managed to share your valuable time with us in this beautiful evening and this beautiful event. So we want to include the best faculty in this field of oncology, and fortunately we have, and most of them are here, will be staying with us for this continuous of the 3 days. Your presence is essential for the betterment of the cancer patients, and we, the organizer, are just a medium to bring together the best mind in this field. So let's share what we learn from our experience in our specialization and motivate each other to understand the cause of the disease, implementation, early diagnosis, procedure, and discovering new and effective treatment, and to also slow down the progression of the disease. And we are also going to discuss here to reduce the disability and cost of the treatment, and also to increase the quality of life of our patient and their family and family support. So coming to this virtual conference, it is a now because of pandemic era, and it's a 3 day virtual conference and 3 day event having four session. First session is on breast cancer session, and for this our program director is BK Smriti ma'am, and I would like to thank Dr. BK Smriti ma'am, who is a program director of this session. And really, I would like to, by heart, I would like to highlight her important effort in finalizing all the topics and agenda for this session. And really, ma'am, I am very much grateful to you for giving your valuable time in spite of your busy schedule and in spite of your personal commitments. Really, I am very thankful to you for this conference. So, breast, next slide, please. So this year, in this today and tomorrow, we are going to have a top 40 national faculty who will discuss the scenario of the breast cancer in a various combination of hormonal and gene studies, and like HER2 positive, HER2 negative, metastatic, early breast, late breast, and we may have approximate more than 1,200 attendees already registered with us, and the top 40 national dedicated faculty who will going to discuss in this breast cancer session, and highlights the academic during this pandemic COVID era. Next slide, please. So we have for these 3 days conference events, we have a very well-renowned international faculties with us, and one of some of among our the Dr. Sajid Kumar, Dr. H. Advani. We don't they don't need an introduction, and we all know what they are and what they are in their respective fields. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. So we are very grateful to our national faculty. 125, more than 125 faculties are going to participate in this 3 day event, and going to discuss all the in and out of oncology and uh, important topics what we are going to discuss in this. And eight international faculties also are going to share experience with us, and I also welcome all delegates. More than 1,200 delegates are going to participate and going to stay with us in these 3 days. Next slide. Next slide. And I'm also, as we know that no conference, no event, no uh, any event can be conducted without any momentary and financial support. And we are also grateful to our supporters, like what they did for us, and really we will thankful to all these supporters who made us competent to organize this kind of conference and to update ourselves. And after this, I request Dr. BK Smriti, ma'am, to for further proceeding. Dr. BK Smriti, ma'am, please.
Yeah, Well, at the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Jasuja for giving this opportunity to try and shape this program in a way to cover most of the topics in the different types of subtypes of breast cancer. And our esteemed speakers would try and touch upon what is the factual today and what we can see in the future. So, without wasting much time and I would like to first start the program about the hormone receptor positive, HER2 negative breast cancer. And I would like to invite the chairpersons, Dr. D.C. Doval, who is the Director and Chief of Breast Services, Department of Medical Oncology, Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute, a very well known figure and does not need further introduction. And also Dr. Vijay Agarwal, who is the Senior Consultant Medical Oncologist at the HCG Hospitals, Bangalore. I would now request the chairpersons to take over and invite the speakers of the session.
Thank you, Dr. Shmiti, and thank you, Dr. Sandeep, for organizing this excellent conference. I think it is quite important for us to understand. I mean, ER positive, HER2 negative early breast cancer has always been an issue of contention of people who have a low risk of recurrence as to how to differentiate those patients and whom to treat and whom not to treat. So can we please ask Dr. Amit Agarwal to give his first talk to highlight us on this?